All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association has announced a 2-month suspension of its pen down and gun down protest following government assurances. The protest was initially intended to press for implementation of Police Act 1861, increased salaries and regularization of services for VDF personnel. In a press release issued by the association, the decision to defer the agitation came after a crucial meeting between its Central Committee and senior government officials, including the Commissioner and Superintendents of Police from Imphal West, Imphal East and Kangpokpi districts. The association stated that officials assured them of sincere efforts to address their long-standing demands and improve the welfare of VDF personnel. As a result, the proposed protest has been postponed for 2 months as a mark of goodwill and in anticipation of concrete steps from the government. The association has, however, warned that it will be compelled to resume its agitation if no substantial progress is made within the stipulated period.
Given by the state government to the Central Committee of All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association, the indefinite gun down and pen down strike has been kept in suspension for 2 months. Today, that is 17 May 2025, a team of Central Committee leaders met with the Commissioner Home and SPs Imphal West and Imphal East at the office chamber of Commissioner Home. The state government has assured the committee that it will be implement the grievances of VDF personnel within the specific timeline. The demands include the implementation of Section 18 of the Police Act 1861 and another point, pay increase, and lastly, service regulation.